Hello, welcome to Nkky's kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious Egusi soup. Come on, let's get into the kitchen. This is all we'll be needing to arrive at what you just saw on your screen. I have my kale, fish, egusi, red bell pepper, my iru, my habanero pepper, palm oil, diced onion, crayfish, and then meat. I'll be using goat meat, tripe, and skin. I'll start by heating my palm oil. I added some salt into the palm oil. Next, I added in the diced onion. Next is the blended red bell pepper. I added in the iru, which is the locust beans. Adding some pepper. Then cover and cook for 5 to 8 minutes on low heat. To boil my fish, I added in some salt and bouillon powder, which is usually called maggi in Nigeria. Mix thoroughly to cook. Add in some water. In my case, I added water into the pepper blend. I checked on my sauce to make sure it's cooking fine. And then I added in some salt and some maggi. In another bowl, I poured in the egusi, known as the melon seed. I added in a little warm water, not too hot, warm water. I mix together until there are no lumps. Next, Next, I poured in the melon paste into the sauce. I combine thoroughly on low heat to avoid burning. You can add in some stock here. In my case, I used water, and then stir properly. Cover and cook for up to 10 minutes on low to medium heat. For my vegetables, I used kale. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I love to steam my vegetables before adding them into my cooking. This time I checked on my egusi, which has cooked properly. I added in my protein, goat, tripe, and skin. I combined well so my meat can have a good taste of the egusi. Next, I added in some crayfish for that deep, authentic flavor. Again, combining thoroughly. steamed vegetable is ready, so I added it into the soup. I combined well so that every part of the egusi can get enough vegetables. Lastly, I added my fish. At this stage, you have to combine gently to avoid your fish from breaking. After adding in your fish, let it simmer for about 5 minutes and it's done. Wow, our flavorful, delicious egusi soup is ready. You can pair this with some hot pounded yam or just like me, some smooth eba, and you have a nourishing meal. So how do you like to eat your egusi? Are you team pounded yam or team eba? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.